Welcome to iCabbi's Marketplace Spotlight. I'm joined by Daniel from the Wizz app. Daniel.
Hello.
Lovely to meet you.
Lovely to meet you too.
Tell me about Wizz.
So Wizz is a software company that specialises in designing consumer booking apps for the taxi industry. Just to give you a bit more background about that, our CEO David Wright has nearly 30 years experience within that industry, where he has helped lots and lots of successful taxi companies grow right throughout the UK.
And I know David Wright myself, and I'm very surprised that he has so many years underneath his belt. He doesn't look like it.
I'm sure he'd be pleased to hear that.
So tell us about the product itself then. What are customers getting when they use the Wizz app?
Okay, so just to give you some unique points that we have our loyalty point system where which will help taxi companies grow in the market space, because the consumers, their customers, are encouraged to recommend the app to their friends, which will then in turn give them loyalty points. Also, the app is extremely well designed and easy to use, which means you're going to get more of those customers, those consumers, off the telephones and onto the app, booking that way, which makes everything a lot easier.
Okay, so you're going to deliver automation then into the taxi company, less people on the phones, more bookings coming in through the app means reduced costs?
Reduced costs, indeed, yes, saving everyone money, everyone wins.
And you need a good app for that, because there's lots of companies who might have, different apps or different versions of it somewhere. They can't really design these apps themselves. It's a huge undertaking. With the Wizz app, I'm guessing it's white labeled, so they look like they've designed it, but actually the back end support and ongoing innovation is all there with you guys.
Spot on, exactly right. Yeah, so we do everything, but it looks like purely they are the ones that are fully in control. Well, they are really, where they give us the details and we do it for them. We set them completely up, so their app is branded with their own styling and added onto the Apple and Android marketplace. But you're absolutely right. As far as anyone else, any consumers would be concerned, it's purely just them that set up the app. But obviously we're behind the scenes. We're like the swan's legs underneath the water, whereas they're the cool, calm, collective ones that are floating on the top, if that makes sense.
It sounds blissful, actually.
Cool.
Sounds fantastic. Well, any other cool features that taxi companies would be interested in having and being able to give to their passengers?
Yes, we have a very cool feature, which I'm glad you asked. We have an augmented reality feature, which means that if you have booked your taxi and you're, let's say, in a highly busy street, all you do is you go to your app, you turn that on, and it will physically show you where that taxi's coming into the street. So you don't need to follow anything. It's not 2D. It's augmented reality. You can see those arrows, and you can probably get to your taxi driver before he even knows you're there.
Wow, so that is pretty unique actually for a passenger app. I haven't come across that before. It feels like we could be talking in 20 years time where your taxi then lands down beside you because it's coming from the sky.
Exactly, why wait 20 years? Could be 10 years, who knows?
You have another feature which I think is very cool, which is Queue Jump. Tell us about that.
So Queue Jump is a bit like, let's just to keep it simple and give you an example, when you go to Chessington, you want to jump the queue rides, you pay slightly more, and that allows you to, if you're waiting for a taxi quite quickly in a sort of emergency situation, or you need it quicker
Another
than...
drink?
Exactly, another drink, or just to get to that first drink earlier than anyone else. You can pay a little bit extra, so there's like an exclusive feature that allows you to jump that queue and get the first taxi that can get to you.
I would 100% use that as a passenger, and I would then go back to that company that was offering me that option as well.
Who wouldn't? And you'd recommend it, which again goes back to the market space sharing for those companies that are using it.
Tell us about the process for any customers out there of ours who are thinking about giving it a go. How do you guys integrate the two?
Well, we like to keep everything simple, and this process is equally as simple. So basically all we need from them, from the customer, is a few details which will include their corporate logo, and then we take full responsibility for getting them set up, taking their branded app and putting that on the Android and Google Marketplace, and it's really just as simple as that.
You can find the Wizz app and the team on the iCabbi Marketplace. Just check out their partner page. If you're watching this video, you might already be on it. And if not, go to iCabbi.com/marketplace. Thank you.